I'm standing inside of one of the most impressive workshops I have ever been inside of, and it's listed for sale here in Metamora, Michigan on a 10-acre horse barn property. There is heating inside of this workshop. It's run off of propane, and the tank is located underneath the ground. There's also air conditioning for the summertime on a few of those weeks where it's hot enough here in Michigan that we need to be cooling down our workspace. There's an air filtration system, so if you're doing a lot of woodwork, it's going to suck the dust out of the air and out of the workshop. And it even has its own full bathroom with a tankless hot water heater. So if you guys are looking for a workshop to build your crafts in, it's even big enough if you want to build boats. You can build boats inside of here. If wood crafting is not your thing, I've had people come through and walk the property, and they've suggested turning this into their personal gym. It could also be a space where you do yoga classes. I think if you did small like parties, you did a lot of entertaining, this would make a great space. You could turn the workshop counters into a bar area, have plenty of space for food, for drinks. You could use the wood floor here as a dance floor. Really, there's an endless opportunities here in this workshop, and it's available for sale here in Metamora, Michigan as part of a horse property currently listed for sale.